Every dream starts as a whisper, an idea carried like wind across the prairie. But it takes more than one voice to give it shape. Here at Harris Fabrication, we lean on each other, we lift each other higher, and together we turn sparks into something lasting. To us, breathing life into a customer's vision is an artistic expression. Every drawing, every cut, and every weld is forged through ingenuity and shaped with pride. Because at Harris Fab, dreams aren't just pretty words. They're triumphs, born from fire, sweat, and steel.